to encourage our children to teach the importance of education. Because again, the world that we actually build in today will be the world that will be in tomorrow. So it is imperative that we have to invest in our children so that by tomorrow comes, we will have better mornings and evenings. Good evening.
Once again, thank you so much. Winnie number 5. Casey Pakula.
Thank you so much. Now we may have the presence of our finalist number 2, candidate number 3, Billy Lavita Niada. So the remaining pictures are 1, 2, 4, and 5, right? Hi, Nina. Iyan o.
Kasi nga,
ako na magpapili na.
Oo, kasi nga Nay, pagka ganyan ang Q&A na, nakikita ko talagang gumagano ka pa. Talagang ini-impress ko sa mga sagot mo.
Bawal. It's their time. Okay, hi Billy. Hello, Natalie. Okay, that's not no time limit once again. And to clarify, you will just interpret the picture on the wall.
And now, you can pick for the 1, 2, 4, and 5. You pick picture number 2.
Thank you very much for the picture. Before I provide my interpretation, let me just define what a picture analysis is. A picture analysis is being or commonly used to interpret images that is being presented in order for you to come up with identifying the purpose and the possible effect of the image that is being presented. Now the picture that I see right now in the way I interpret the photo is human creating different inventions. One of the few things that we are very much thankful of are the inventions of human. Part of these inventions are the creation of these tools that can be seen in this image. And I think we should be grateful that God has created us in a sense that we are able to come up with different inventions that would allow us to innovate the way we are living, the way we should be improving, how we have started Mother Earth. And I'm so happy to see that with this continuous innovation that we see, it's making our life easy. However, on the other hand, while we are creating these different inventions, it's also creating a different effect to other people because of the misusage of the inventions that were created by humans. And I hope that rather than misusing these beautiful inventions, we go by maximizing it in a sense that it will be useful not just for you, but it will be useful for the people who are around you as well as the environment that it might get affected into. I hope that we continue to believe that the purpose why God has given us brains and a heart is for us to come up innovations that He would be very much proud of. Thank you and good evening.
Right, thank you so much.
Okay, let's have our third semi-finalist. Yes. What is the remaining picture?
And for the remaining pictures, 1, 4, and 5.
Okay, let's have candidate number 11. Am I right? Number 11? Okay. It's really challenging because they have different perspectives. Talaga hindi ka makakapag-ano dito. Ang tawag na script.
And now you can pick, yes. And now you can pick for the number 1, 4, and 5.
Since I am the last number, I will choose number 5.
Picture number 5.
The picture that's shown here is a man with a global on his or on her head and with a medal. I firmly believe, my dear friends, that up till this moment of time, that there are still many people who are experiencing injustice. And I firmly believe that it is really perfect time for me to raise this awareness, to make everyone to realize that in our country, we experiencing injustice system. I firmly believe, my dear friends, that in order for us to create laws and to demand so many laws in our country, we must start to demand our government to fix our justice system. For I believe, my dear friends, that citizens of this country, based on what indicated to our laws, the punishments and everything. I firmly believe, my dear friends, that maraming mga inosenteng mga tao Pilipino na kung saan sila pa mismo, na kung sino pang maraming nako-contribute sa pag-growth ng Pilipinas, ay siya pang nakukulong. Ang magandang halimbawa po nito ay ang ating former President Rodrigo Duterte. I firmly believe, my dear friends, that every one of us experienced somehow a good quality of life during the time of Rodrigo Duterte. And this time, we have to, it is a wake-up call for everyone to vote the right person upcoming these elections. People who will help us to contribute more for the productive of our economy, so that no other innocent people, a people who have pure intention to help our economic growth. Ladies and gentlemen, let's use our suffrage in a proper way, in a way that we can see someone who have a pure intention to help and realizing and putting our situations towards to what our experiencing right now. Let's always remember what Article 2, Section 4, that the prime duty of our government is to protect and serve its people. Magandang gabi.
Right, thank you so much. Candidate number 11.
Okay, that was our third semifinalist now. Let's have our fourth finalist, candidate number 4. Yeah, so we have 1 and 4. Okay. Wow, and it's standing long, so I love your dog. Beautiful. Okay.
And now you can choose for the number 1 and 4.
I would choose my own number, which is number 4. Since I was the 4th person to be called, I would choose number 4. It's a sign.
Yes. Good luck to your picture number 4 and no time limit. Here's your mic.
Photo interpretation, judges number 1 to judge number 13, correct me if I'm wrong. The photo that I can see and here in front of me are chemicals, substances. Rain, I don't know specifically which is for, but I believe that this just only means one thing. That is what we call drugs. I believe that drugs can be harmful and can be helpful at the same time. It can be helpful in a way that it will be able to help each and everyone who has incurable diseases for them to have a longer life and for them to be able to have the life that they aim to be, knowing that they have been depressed with what they found out from the beginning. On the other hand, it is very important that we should be reminded that drugs should be used not just only for recreational purposes, but basically for medical purposes. It is very important that we should not be using this just for us to feel relaxed, for us to feel calm, and for us to suffice our own vices. Dahil isa po ako makakapagpatatunay na kung gagamitin natin ang droga sa buhay para lamang sa pansariling interes naman at hindi para sa ikabubuti ng ating kalusugan, it will definitely go not any places. And if you are the person who would like to go to different places and to have a brighter future, then definitely you may want to stay away to these kind of chemical and substances. Know what is right, think what is right, and definitely act according to one's means. Thank you.
Right, thank you so much, Becky, number 4. And you know what? One of our board judges ay magaling sa drugs. That is each other.
If it is for medical use.
Yes.
Ano judges? Kaya pa? Ang galing, no? Okay, let's have the final candidate to wrap it up. Our candidate number 8. Hello.
Yes, and the red number.
She has this positive aura. I love it. Stay humble, beautiful. Okay.
And
You have no choice. Mira?
you pick last number is number 1.